In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Taobao app and register an account. We'll set up your account using a web browser, and afterward you can sign in on the mobile app with the same details. All you'll need is a browser and a mobile phone that can receive text messages. First, open Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you prefer and head to the official Taobao site at world.taobao.com or directly to login.taobao.com. If the page appears in Chinese, use your browser's built-in translate feature so the options are easier to recognize. On the sign-in screen, look for the register button. It may be labeled register or show the Chinese text for free registration. Click that to begin. Next, you'll be asked for your country or region. Open the country code dropdown and choose your location, for example, Philippines with the +63 code or whichever applies to you. Picking the correct code is important because Taobao will link your account to this phone number. Now enter your mobile number without the leading zero. Many countries format local numbers with an initial zero, but when you use an international code, you should remove that first zero. Carefully type the rest of the digits. Double check for typos and then select Next. Taobao will ask you to complete a quick slider verification. Drag the slider so the puzzle piece fits into place. This is just a security check to confirm you're a real person. If it doesn't pass on the first try, adjust and try again. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to your phone by SMS. Keep the browser page open, retrieve the code from your messages, and enter it promptly before it expires. If it doesn't arrive, wait a moment, ensure you have signal, and use the resend option only if needed. After verification, create your password. Use 6 to 20 characters, and for better security, mix letters and numbers. Avoid obvious details, and store your password somewhere safe. Click Confirm or Next to continue. You'll see checkboxes for the user agreement and privacy policy. Review them if you like, then agree to proceed. That's it. Your Taobao account has been created. You'll be redirected to the login or home page where you can sign in using your new credentials. From here, download the Taobao app from your device's official app store and log in with the same phone number and password. Enjoy exploring and happy shopping!